Welcome to TZ Wisdom Perez YouTube channel, the channel of values.
Good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am TZ Wisdom Perez. On my YouTube channel, if this is your first time, this is where I educate, I inform and inspire a lot of young minds, individuals across the world via my YouTube channel and various other social media platforms. So once again, thank you for taking up the time to watch my YouTube video and also visiting my YouTube channel.
So in today's video, I'll be discussing about the new policies about Boomplay, and I'll be showing you how you can now withdraw on Boomplay using the newest method now on Boomplay. So before I begin, I would like to use this medium to appreciate you if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, and also if you are already a subscriber who has been watching my video, coming in consistently to check out for the latest update. I want to appreciate you because recently I noticed that my subscribers has risen from 90 plus to 100 subscribers. So a big thank you for your contribution. I really appreciate you very much for your support through your likes, share and comment, most especially your comment, because it is through your comment I used to create videos tailored to create solution to your questions. So please keep up with your comments in the comment section, and please, if this is your first time, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel because it plays a major role in motivating me to create more videos. So let's go into the purpose of today's video. Thank you. Alright, so the latest development about Boomplay. So on the 15th of May 2025, Boomplay launched a new update whereby the Boomplay coins has been increased. Like before, now you can use $1 to buy a coin worth 950 coins. Let's call it 1,000 coins. But today now you can use $1 to buy 10,000 coins. Are you saying it? To buy 10,000 coins. So that is one of the new update about Boomplay. Secondly, since the coins has been increased, the worth of the gift has been reduced to 10 Bstars worth of gift. That is, before now it was 100 Bstars. That is, if you send a gift that is worth 10 B coins, 10 Boomplay coins, if you multiply that gift that is 10 Boomplay coins by 100 Bstars, it will give you 1,000 worth of Bstars. I'm sure you're aware of that, isn't it? Very good. But right now, since that 100 Bstars have been reduced to 10 Bstars, if you multiply that 10 Bitcoin worth of gift by 10 Bstars, it will give you 100 worth of Bstars. Now, if you do the calculation, it is still similar to the previous calculation. For example, like the coin now, 1,000 coin, okay, 1,000 worth of coin. If you use it to send yourself gift, it will still give you 10,000. It will give you about 100,000 worth of Bstars. 100,000 worth of Bstars, isn't it? Very good. So if you still multiply this 10,000 coins, okay, multiply this 10,000 coins. If you send it to yourself as Bstars, it will still give you 100,000 worth of Bstars. So it's still the same development. There's no much difference. The value remains the same. The only difference is the increment of the coins. The increment of the coins. So which is a very good one, which means you can be able to play more games. You can play more gamble games. You understand? So that is it for the increment of the Boomplay coins and the worth of Bstars for the gift. So if you have questions, you can still ask me in the comment section. Now, regarding the payment aspect now, before you can withdraw from Boomplay, you must have the least $1 for you to withdraw. If you're in Nigeria, you can use Boomplay to withdraw your money from Boomplay, isn't it? Very good. And you must first complete your weekly target. You understand? But that wasn't the case. As long as you have $1, you can withdraw. But as of now, you must have the least $10 before you can withdraw from the platform. And now Boomplay has made it so detailed that for you to get $1, you need to have 250,000 Bstars before you can get $1. So 250,000 Bstars is equal to $1. So for you to get $10, you need to have 2.5 million Bstars for you to get $10. Are you seeing it? And before also, you can only withdraw on Wednesday, every Wednesday in a week. But now Boomplay has made it in such a way that you can withdraw anytime you've gotten your $10. Anytime, any day, any week. You are free to withdraw as long as you've gotten your $10. So which is really amazing. You don't need to wait for every Wednesday of a week to withdraw. No, as long as you'll be able to complete your $10, you can withdraw. So now you can withdraw anytime, any day, any week, as long as you have your $10. Are you seeing it? So later, after this video, I'll be talking about the different levels of agency. Alright, so if you're interested in that topic, just notify me in the comment section so I can create the video regarding that later on after this video. So as long as you have your $10, you can withdraw anytime, any day. And if you're in Nigeria, you can withdraw through Boomplay, or through PayPal, or through Payoneer, or through USDT. Even for other countries, you can withdraw through USDT, Payoneer, PayPal. But for Boomplay, I don't know for other countries, but for Nigeria it's possible. So if you're interested in me creating a video regarding the different levels of agency, as an agent there are different levels of an agency for you to earn more. So if you're interested in that, notify me in the comment section. I will create a video on that. So let me show you how you can withdraw from the latest Boomplay withdrawal method. So right now, as you can see, I'm in the BoomLive page on Boomplay. So just click on your profile picture. Once you click on your picture at the top right, you click on my wallet. Then you click on Bstars. Once you've done that, as you can see now, you can see that the coin now is 95 instead of 950 worth of coin for you to convert your Bstars to coin. Are you seeing it? So I won't advise you to do that. Don't. Instead, use real money to buy coins. So now I want to withdraw this my Bstars now. This is 2.9 million Bstars. So click on withdraw. Good. So as my payment channel, I have chosen Boomplay. You can even choose bank transfer. That depends on you, or you can choose OP. Wow, so now you can use OP. This is new. I'm just discovering this, which is also more better than using, though the transaction fee is still the same. It is still 2%. Likewise the bank transfer, likewise the OP. So I think I'll be using the OP, self-Boomplay. So the list is $10, and what I have here, my available withdrawal amount is $11. Can you see it? $11.69. So regarding the withdrawal rules, just go through it. Withdrawal rules, the exchange rate is now 250,000 Bstars to $1, which is 1,602 naira. Can you see that? So you can go through this later. You can go to this later. I don't want to make this video too long. So I'll be choosing OP. Then you click on bind. Fill in your full names. The name you use for your OP account, you fill it. So I'll be doing that now. Then your account number. You put in your OP account number. Okay. Alright. Then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, it will tell you that it has been bind. Alright. You can click on view to review it if it's correct. So once you've done that, you submitted your account details, then you click on submit. So they are telling you that withdrawal of $10, which is equal to 16,020 naira, will cost you, okay, it will cost you this thing, 2.5 million, like I said, is 16,000 naira, which is $10. So the fee is 125,000 Bstars, which is 5% fee rate. So Boomplay will be taking a transaction fee of 5% for you to withdraw your 2.5 million Bstars, which is $10. Like seriously, 5%? Isn't it 2% I saw there? Anyways, it's not still much. So let us go ahead with the withdrawal. You click on confirm. Submit success. So the submit has been successful. All we need to do now is wait for them to process it and to be withdrawn. So once you click on your record, which is at the top right, this paper-like structure, you click on it, it will take you to this page where you see pending. So now they are processing the transaction. Alright, they are processing the transaction. So once it has been confirmed, you see it under here to be confirmed. Once you see success, it will show you success. So right now it is pending, they are processing the payment. So withdrawal time is on the 18th. Today is 18th, so 6/26/24. So very soon it will soon be deposited to my wallet. Once that has been done, I will do a video and let you know. Thank you for watching. So notify me in the comment section if there's any area you want me to create a video on, and also if you're interested in knowing the different levels of agents on Boomplay, so I can create videos on that. Thank you once more, and do not forget to motivate me with your subscription. Subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of my latest videos. Thank you. Alright, so after initiating the payment, before it was showing pending, isn't it? Now it has crossed to be confirmed. So this is the withdrawal request that you made, and if you see by the right hand side here, you can see a timer. That timer is for you to confirm whether you've received the payment or not. So within the time frame, you have to check whether you've received the payment. Now click on that timer. Once you click on it, to show you details, the details of the withdrawal request you made. As you can see the amount details, the local currency, the fee, and the actual amount to be received. So right now I'm expecting 16,020 naira. Then my OP account, this is it. Then we have the order ID, order time, the payment receipt. Now if I click on payment receipt, this is the payment that has been made to my account. So you can see the mentioned name, Aniebet. So this Aniebet is the person who is transferring the money on behalf of Boomplay to my account in Nigeria. So I'm expecting this account name together with this amount, together with the amount being paid to me, which is 16,020 naira. As you can see, approved. and this is the date and time to my bank OP and to my account name, meaning it has been paid to my account. So now it is left for me now to go and check it out. Once I have gone to check my account and I've confirmed it, all I need to do is click on payment received to notify Boomplay that I have received the payment. Now there is a statement here, please check whether the funds has been received after 1 hour 47 minutes and 10 seconds. Payment will be automatically confirmed. So let me go and check my OP right now. So let me do that now. So I'm in my OP app now. Alright, so let me open my OP. Good. So my balance is now showing 16,108. So let us check the transaction history. Alright. Transaction is, see the transaction here, May 18th, 7:29. It wasn't even long, it didn't even take up to an hour. I want to talk about up to even 10 minutes. So the bank took a 15 naira transaction fee. Oh my god. So let us click on it. Alright, so transfer from Anye Beard Ime Ima, the merchant who transferred the money to me on behalf of Boomplay in Nigeria. And this is the money, 16,020 naira. Successfully transferred to my bank account. So what do you think about this? Isn't this sweet? Being able to make money from your Boomplay, which is a musical platform, is a very wonderful means of making money. It's a very wonderful side in hustling. So now that I've confirmed my payment on my bank account, all I need to do is go to Boomplay and click on payment received. Payment received. Do you confirm you have received the payment? After the payment is confirmed, the system will determine the funds have been received. Click on confirm. So successful withdrawal, it has been indicated. So it has moved from to be confirmed to success. You see, success, it has been successful. So if you check your wallet now, okay, under available withdrawal you can see $1. So the money was successful. Go back to your Bstars. You can now, you're now seeing 298,000 Bstars, which is $1. So thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe, do well to like, comment and share. And if there is anything you want me to create a video regarding on, you can do well to notify me. Thank you very much and goodbye for now.